Hey gamers! Ever dreamed of making real money just by playing your favorite games? Well, today, I'm breaking down exactly how you can turn your gaming skills into a legit side hustle, or even a full-time gig. Grab your controller and let's dive in. First up, let's talk about streaming. Platforms like Twitch and YouTube Gaming let you broadcast your gameplay to thousands, even millions of viewers. If you build up a loyal fan base, you can make money through ads, donations, and even sponsorships. I know what you're thinking, but I'm not a pro. Guess what? You don't have to be. People tune in for the gameplay, but they stay for your personality. So don't be afraid to let your freak flag fly. Next, there's playtesting. Game studios are always looking for feedback, and they'll actually pay you to test games before release. Sites like Playtest Cloud and Beta Family connect you with developers who need your honest opinion, and you get paid for it. All you need is a love for games and a willingness to share your thoughts. Easy money, right? Now, let's talk esports. If you're seriously competitive, tournaments can offer some big rewards. Sure, the top teams rake in the most, but there are smaller competitions too. Think local contests or online brackets. Win a few, and you could be looking at real cash prizes, sponsorships, and some serious bragging rights. Don't forget about earning through in-game assets. Some games let you earn or create items, like skins or rare loot, that you can sell on legit marketplaces. Games such as Counter-Strike Global Offensive and Roblox have whole economies built around player-made content. If you've got a creative streak, this might be your jam. And hey, if you love helping other players, consider coaching. Platforms like Gamer Sensei and Fiverr let you offer your expertise to players who want to up their game. Whether you're a Fortnite strategist or a League of Legends mastermind, there's someone out there willing to pay for your advice. All right, let's wrap up. Making money online by playing games isn't just a dream. It's totally doable no matter your skill level. The key? Find the path that fits your style, put in the work, and have fun along the way. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments. What's your favorite way to game and earn? Catch you next time, and happy gaming!